Did you know that you can transfer your Shopee balance to a friend? Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ericka. For today's video, we will talk about ShopeePay because a lot of you guys have been asking me about this, so let's start. Okay, but before anything else, don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. ShopeePay allows us to purchase, to withdraw, or to top up through our ShopeePay. Also, if ever you purchase an item and then you need a refund for it, it can be seen on your ShopeePay wallet. There are 4 parts of ShopeePay: top up, scan, withdraw, and transfer. So yeah, I will be discussing them one by one, so keep on watching. Okay, first, where can you find ShopeePay? So you can see it on your profile. You just click ShopeePay, and then you can also see it upon checkout when you select your payment option. I usually use GCASH or BPI. So okay, first, how to top up using BPI. Okay, once you check out, select a payment method. And then as you can see, that ShopeePay is in gray color because it means that you don't have enough balance on your ShopeePay to purchase that item. So click top up. And then once you chose the top up value, make sure that it's enough for the items that you ordered. You can even put the amount below, so yeah. And then after that, click payment. As you can see, there are a lot to choose from, but then I prefer using GCash or BPI to top up. So there you go. And then after that, once you select it, click pay now. And then you will have to verify your email and then click pay. I chose BPI and I will be asked to input my username and password. And then once I'm done, I will click accept. And this will usually appear. But what I usually do, I just click savings. I don't really know if it is necessary to click that, but then after waiting 5 to 10 seconds, you will be asked to enter your one-time PIN, and then the PIN will be sent to you through SMS. So as you can see, I will type my PIN now, and then after that, I will click confirm. And then, yay! As you can see, it was a success. I clicked play the lucky draw and I won 1 coin. I can redeem that later on. Okay, so as you can see now, that the ShopeePay icon is not in gray color because you have enough balance to pay for the item you ordered through your ShopeePay. So now you will click that. The voucher that I chose is the daily midnight voucher. I took that screenshot at 12 a.m. So yeah. And then, as you can see, it is indicated that I have to use ShopeePay. So now, as you can see, I will only have to pay 677 pesos. So now, as you can see, that instead of paying 677 pesos, I will only have to pay 627 pesos because I don't have to pay the shipping fee. And then I also redeem the 1 peso coin. Again, once you click place order, you will have to verify your identity. Since you choose ShopeePay as your payment option, you can verify via your fingerprint or the ShopeePay PIN. There you go. That is how you top up using BPI. Okay, next, how to top up using GCash. By the way, if you don't have a GCash account yet, you can register on the link down below in the description box. Okay, first you have to do is to click top up, and then on the payment method, click payment center or e-wallet, and then find GCash. And then select or input the amount you want to top up and then click pay now. And then you will have to verify your email again and then click pay. And then you will be redirected to GCash, and then you have to log in using your mobile number. Okay, and then an authentication code will be sent to your mobile number, as you can see. Then type in the code, then select submit code. After that, you have to enter your 4-digit MPIN. And then click next. And then just click confirm and pay. And then now you will receive a notification that your payment has been successfully processed. And then as you can see on the top up details that it was a success, and it will also reflect on your ShopeePay transactions. So yeah, it's really fast to just top up via GCash. And what you really need is to have a GCash account. That's it. We're done with top up. How to transfer ShopeePay? to a bank account, to a phone number, to a Shopee user, or through a QR code. I will be discussing them one by one. How to transfer to a phone number. So first, click to phone number and then search in a phone number or contact name that you want to transfer ShopeePay. Okay, so I typed in my friend's name, Dana, and then I typed in the amount that I want to transfer. You can even write a message and then click confirm. And then once again, you have to verify. You can use your fingerprint or the Shopee pin. Alright, and there you go. It was a success. And then the person who received the ShopeePay will get a notification on her Shopee wallet for receipts. So that is how you transfer via phone number. Next, how to transfer to a Shopee user. Okay, first click to Shopee user and then you can type in the Shopee username if you are not following that person. In my case, I chose Miss Active PH, which is my star, as you all know that. And then type in the amount, that you can also put a description if you want to. And then click confirm. And then you will have to verify again. And after that, you will see that the transfer was a success. And it will reflect again on the ShopeePay transactions. And Miss Active PH will also be notified on the Shopee app chats. So yes, that is how you transfer to a Shopee user. Next, how to transfer via QR code. So if ever you and your friend are together, then your friend can scan your QR code to transfer ShopeePay. And then if ever you guys are not together, then you can click the share on the lower right button of the QR code. And then you can copy the link, you can send it through Messenger or through text message. So as for me, I tried sending it to my friend Rachel on Facebook Messenger. As you can see, there is a link, and once she click that, she will input the amount of how much she wants to transfer to me, and then click OK, and then I will be notified again that I have received the payment. So that's it. How to withdraw to a bank account. Okay, there are two ways where you can find this. First is in the ShopeePay, you can click withdraw, or you can also do this by clicking transfer and then click withdraw to the bank account. So whichever you prefer, it's just the same. Okay, so you have an option to withdraw all the amount on your ShopeePay, or you can just input the amount that you want to withdraw. As you can see, the withdrawals are free of charge. I'm not really sure if you're gonna withdraw like thousands already. Maybe there will be a fee. I'm not really sure, I haven't tried it, but you can try it if you want to. And then click next and then recheck the transactions. Note that it will be processed 2 to 5 working days, so you will not be able to receive that amount on the day that you withdraw. Then you will have to verify using your fingerprint and or ShopeePay pin, whichever. And then there you go. As you can see that it is in progress because you will have to wait 2 to 5 working days. Frequently asked questions. So these questions are from my previous video, Shopee video to be exact, which is how to get free shipping on Shopee every purchase. So I will be answering them to you now. First question is from Janeth Noja or Noha. Okay, ate, ano po ibig sabihin nito? Ito lagi lumalabas pag tinatry namin yung free shipping. Current payment method does not meet voucher TNC. So, Jana, thank you for that question. Wow. Okay, maybe you have to check the voucher if you need to use ShopeePay as a payment option. So, what I have observed, whenever I use free shipping voucher, I have to use ShopeePay. So yes, I use ShopeePay all the time whenever I checked out. So yeah, that's it. You have to recheck lang. And if ever it's free shipping special shops, you don't have to use ShopeePay. So yeah, and then some couriers naman, they don't accept cash on delivery, so you have to use ShopeePay. So I'm not really sure, but you have to check the free shipping voucher that you chose. And if you're not sure, you can always click the TNC on the lower right of the voucher. Second question. Paano po pag hindi dumating yung order mo pag gamit ng ShopeePay? May ganun na po ba nangyari sa inyo? Okay, this is from It's Anne. Okay, so before na hindi ako seller, I always use cash on delivery because I thought that if I will use ShopeePay, like what if hindi dumating yung order ko, mababalik pa sa akin yung money, or saan ba mapupunta yung money if ever kailangan ko ng refund. So now, because I'm a seller of Miss Active PH, I realized saka ko lang ma-receive yung payment kapag yung customer nagkiklik ng order receive. So, remember that guys, that you don't have to be afraid if ever you will use ShopeePay because hindi matatanggap ng seller yung bayad mo kapag di mo kinlik yung order receive. So, if ever naman you guys receive na your item and it's in good condition and you are satisfied with it, please don't forget to click order received. Okay, please. Okay, third question. Hi ate, paano po magamit yung 199 pesos minimum spend capped at up to 60 pesos, free shipping special shops, ShopeePay? Wala po kasi akong alam sa ganyan. Ngayon lang po ako magte-try. This question is from Hannah May Paran. Okay, so isa-isahin natin yung voucher na yun kasi medyo madami. Okay, first, 199 pesos minimum spend. So, okay, this means that yung o-orderin mo dapat at least 199 pesos. Okay? So, if ever yung item na yun is 190 pesos, you cannot use this voucher. Okay? So, at least 199 pesos minimum spend. Next, capped at up to 60 pesos. So, it means that you can get a free shipping on hanggang 60 pesos. So, usually, the Shopee voucher naman, it's only 30 to 45 pesos yung shipping. But, like before, when I ordered a 20 kg dumbbell, the shipping was around 135 pesos. But yeah, I was able to use the free shipping because na-minus siya ng 45 pesos. Kasi yun ata yung free shipping voucher na in-avail ko. So with this one, if ever you use this cap at up to 60 pesos, then 60 pesos yung mababawas na shipping fee sa'yo. Okay, parang ang dami ko in-explain. But okay, you guys get that? Let's say yung shipping fee mo is 100 pesos, then 60 pesos lang mababawas. You have to pay 40 pesos for the shipping fee. So at least, diba, nabawasan. Next, free shipping special shops. Okay, so with that naman, it depends on the shop na i-orderin mo. So, other shops kasi, they don't accept free shipping. Pero I haven't experienced naman na hindi sila compatible. Na they don't accept this. So, I don't think you have to worry much about the free shipping special shops. Okay, and lastly, ShopeePay. That's why I made this video for you guys to know about how to use ShopeePay and how to top up or how to transfer. So if your payment option is cash on delivery, then this voucher will not work for you because the payment option that you have to use is ShopeePay. So yes, you can rewatch the video if ever naguguluhan ka pa. I hope I answered all your questions, Chana, Itzy, and Hannah. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. So I'm gonna tell you guys the things that you have to remember before checking out. So first, check the voucher, read everything. If you have to use ShopeePay, if it is a daily midnight voucher, there is a time, or this is a free shipping special shops, okay, check everything. Second, if you will use ShopeePay, make sure that you have a balance. Okay? You can see naman the balance. It will be indicated on the payment option once you select ShopeePay. Third, you did not meet the minimum spend. So like the question of Hannah a while ago, that your minimum spend should be 199 pesos. So you should order above that. Lastly, if you are unsure about the voucher, then you can always read the TNC, the terms and conditions, on the lower right of the voucher. So yeah, these are just some things to remember upon checkout and if ever you will get or avail that voucher. So by the way guys, I made a playlist on Shopee, so all my Shopee videos will be there, so you can check that out on my channel. I just want to say thank you to my 1,000 subscribers. You guys are so great. So yeah, if you have any questions about ShopeePay or anything at all, just comment down below. And then if you want to register to GCASH, click the link below. Everything is linked down below. So yeah, I appreciate you all. So don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified every time I post a new video.